greet you when you open the box is a user's manual, a 40-tooth saw blade, a dust bag, and a base plate clamp. So the first thing you need to do after you install your blade securely and the right way following the manual is to do the zero throat plate cut. So you will be able to cut through whatever materials you're planning to cut. And it's right here on this blade here. You need to do a straight cut, a 48-degree bevel cut on either side, and that way you have a big enough groove in there to be able to cut at any angle. So once you got your cuts on the throat plate, you did the beveled and the straight cut, it will look a little bit something like that. Now we have the laser lined up here almost. So it's gonna cut just to the right of it. You start by pressing in. Hey, what's up? Today I'm coming to you with my initial thoughts and my conclusion after a few days of use of the Ridgid 10-inch dual bevel miter saw. I'm gonna tell you it's probably the best saw out there because of a couple of things, but most of all, the warranty. It's got a lifetime warranty, which is your life and not the saw's life. It's relatively affordable at $199 plus tax, so that turned out to be $218 for me. And it's built really tough. It's built rigid, and it's right up there, right on par with Makita, Bosh, Milwaukee and Dewalt. It's super good. It works right out from the box. All you need to do is install the blade, which is a 40-tooth blade. Once you've done that, which is easy, you just follow the instructions in the user manual and you have it done in 5 minutes. You have set it all up, but it's basically just a double check because it comes perfectly straight, perfect angle straight out of the box. You can use it from the get-go. Cuts very nicely. It's not really loud, it's not really quiet, it's sort of what you expect from a miter saw. And like I said, it just works. So if you're in the market for a relatively affordable miter saw, 10-inch dual bevel, has no slide, that's the only drawback, but it's perfect. Let me tell you, if Ridgid Tools makes all their tools this well and is backed by their legendary warranty, which is your lifetime, I'm gonna keep buying Ridgid tools as long as I live in the US, because it's the best warranty deal ever on anything. Bosh, Makita, Milwaukee, Dewalt, they all come with a limited 1 year or maybe 2 years warranty. This is for your life, so until you die. They're gonna replace engines or motors, they're gonna replace handles, cords, bearings, whatever it is, as long as it's not normal wear and tear, which isn't a whole lot. So you go Ridgid, I'll give you 2 thumbs up, and till next time.